Hi guys, this is the second episode of What My Mom Cooked For Me video, so please watch the first one linked in the description box below.
皮厚めに？厚めに。どれぐらい？5ミリぐらい？サラダこの筋がこうあるじゃん。その内側になるよ。お腹空いたね。はい。いい匂いするね。ごま油の匂いだと思うよ。で、これやっちゃっていい？いいよ。
My mom went to the local farmer's market this morning and brought this daikon radish with leaves. In the first episode, she made a rice seasoning using leaves, and now she's using skins for the miso soup. In a way, nothing will be wasted.
ここに1600本という。なんて言った？1600本。何1600本？大根の切り方。1600本って切り方が。へえ。千切りじゃないの？大根を1600本にするって言うよ。だしとしいたけか。大根の皮入れて味噌スープ、味噌汁を作る。
She soaked dried shiitake mushroom and kombu for a couple of hours before adding daikon skins.
サラダ薄くしないと。めちゃめちゃ薄い。切ったやつを塩もみ？そう。お塩にちょっとつけた。揉まないでちょっとつけてだけ。そうそう。水分が出るぐらい。小さじ半分ぐらい。一回お塩が回ったら、そうそう置いとくのね。置いとくの。ここで。それ普通の柚子でもいいの？黄色い。うん、黄色い柚子でもいいんだ。ライムは？ライムでもいいんじゃない？ちょっと強すぎ？いや、大丈夫だと思う。好き好きだからそれも柑橘の。
She grows yuzu trees in the backyard, so she also brought it from home.
すごいいい匂い。ね、切った瞬間にめちゃくちゃいい匂いな。お塩と。果汁だけ取る感じね。柚子胡椒。柚子胡椒ね。胡椒って本当美味しいよね。
Yuzu kosho is a spicy, salty yuzu paste which I often enjoy with hot pot or ramen. If you get one for yourself, let me put the link in the description box below.
できちゃった。柚子胡椒はそんなには入れてない。これも好き好きだから。ちょっとね、お砂糖をちょっと入れるよ。綺麗な色、緑だね。味見どうですか？ちょっとね、酸っぱすぎ。酸っぱいんだ。じゃあまあまあ酸味が強い。お砂糖入れて調節ね。天狗とかでなんかどうやって思いついたのこれ？思いつき？あとはこれは種本があって、それがアレンジだね。すごいね、本当に重ねたのね。大根と柿を重ねて、それで最後にクレソンのせた。最後に青いとこ。おー、柚子の青いとこ。可愛いね。ドレッシングはまだ。ドレッシングして食べるとき。あ、食べるときにかけるのか。 綺麗。見た目映えするでしょ。綺麗。味見。美味しい。美味しいよね。美味しい。椎茸と昆布。と。お味噌がと油揚げと。油揚げでも効いてるかも。大根と油揚げが美味しい。美味しいね。私すごいさ、味噌汁に野菜とか具いっぱい入れるタイプなの。でもあれだよね。父さん嫌いだったよね。もうシンプルに大根だけとかね。そうだよね。めっちゃ後ろ、あ、ここにいて、これ後ろ向いてて、前向いてて、前向いてて。難しい。テーマはこれ。秋。あ、すごい。なんか飾ってる。こういうの私下手だからな。秋ね。季節は大事よね。秋のテーマでこれは何？他は何か大事なポイントは？大事なポイントは全部皮も葉っぱも使いました。皮も葉っぱも使いました。あとは地産地消。なるほどね。はい。ありがとう。はい。
今、浩平、じゃあ、翔太は今5歳？これ最高。4歳？じゃあ、大輔は
My mom has been always my inspiration, using seasonal vegetable, never waste anything, keep it simple but tasty, etc. I packed everything I learned from her in my Japanese cooking course. My course is for someone who wants to start Japanese cooking but doesn't know where to start. The course won't teach you just recipes, more on how you can sustainably cook and eat to form a healthy lifestyle habit using traditional Japanese cooking, such as gut health, understanding Japanese condiments, how to incorporate seasonal vegetables, how to prepare meals, and many more. We'll support each other in a private group. Prior to the official announcement, let me share my former student's story.
こんにちは。私はクリストです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。My name is Crystal, and as you can tell, I'm practicing Japanese. I'm learning Japanese. I'm 35 years old. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, and I love the Japanese culture, the anime, food, language, and I hope to visit the beautiful country of Japan in the next year or so. As a busy professional, I'm lucky that I can plan my own schedule, and I am a stay-at-home wife, but I also have a part-time job as a caregiver for one of my family members, and also me and my husband, we're growing a couple online businesses. As you can see, with three jobs pretty much, it's pretty hectic. My everyday life can be very hectic. How I usually handle my cooking and my eating lifestyle is I try to go for convenience. So when I saw Miwa sensei, her cooking lessons tries to help people have a more healthy lifestyle, but at the same time be convenient. It was really attractive to me to improve my eating habits, because when I do go to the convenient food, it's not all the time healthy. So I love the Japanese culture. Ever since I was little, I was watching Japanese anime. Like I would watch Sailor Moon. I love Sailor Moon ever since I was little. I watched My Neighbor Totoro like every day when I was little, so I saw how they eat. I think it was really familiar to me too, with the rice, with the soups and the stews. It's similar to my food too, and from my culture in the Philippines. When I learned that I could learn or actually cook the food from home, I was so excited, and I never dreamed that I would know how to cook Japanese food. But until I met Miwa, she made it possible and fun and very easy to do. It was really surprising to me. Before this course, I would snack a lot and I would stress eat. I think it was a bad habit I picked up from college, because that's when I was exposed to all the different kind of food, because I went to college in Detroit. Before that, I really had an even worse diet of American food all the time. Or I'm Filipino, so I would have Filipino food only at home. And then when I go to school, I would have American food. So my diet was not good most of the time. And food is a big part of my culture as a Filipino. So during parties, we would always have so much food because we have big gatherings of people, of usually 30 to 40 people. So we're used to eating a lot of food, so I never learned self-discipline in eating. I would eat big portions, very big. And in America, I don't know if Miwa Sensei knows, but the portions are huge. Like a hamburger is as big as my head. I'm not kidding. So I actually go grocery shopping once a week in person, and then I have an app that I can order groceries from, a local store. We have Walmart that's close by me, and I have the app that I can just pick what I want and they deliver it to my door. So I do that maybe once or twice a week, depending what I feel like eating. But now with what you taught me, Miwa, it taught me to be more mindful of the week ahead, like plan more in depth. After taking Miwa's course, she helped me be more mindful of, okay, what is in your fridge? You have to be prepared going to the grocery store instead of like trying to do it like off the cuff. Like, okay, what I feel like eating at this moment, I'm gonna buy that in the store and then I'm gonna make that at home, versus what Miwa teaches, okay, have a grocery list, buy these ingredients, and then you can make multiple meals with those ingredients. And then before, I would just throw away the shiitake mushrooms. I had no idea I could reuse it. I thought, oh, okay, I can't use it anymore, but Miwa taught me that, okay, you can use the ingredients in a lot of different ways. So I'm like, okay, how about I'll use those mushrooms and I'll put it in my stir fry. And then I can put it in my omelet too. Yes, it's less stressful now to cook. I'm more organized now, preparing my meals throughout the week. And I'm adding more vegetables into my diet when I didn't before. I didn't know how to. So yeah, Miwa's cooking really teaches that. Yeah, so I would say don't get overwhelmed. Like, especially if you're new to cooking, it could be a lot. Like, I've been cooking for more than 10 years, so it was not that hard for me to get used to. But if you're new to cooking, it could be overwhelming. So just be patient with yourself as with learning anything new. And Miwa Sensei is so helpful. She will answer all your questions, and the community is so helpful. So ask questions and don't be afraid to ask for help. That's my advice.
Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye! Arigato! Mata ne!